right, take a look at the WORKPRO 8-inch adjustable wrench. Okay, so that is a very interesting jaw design on there. It moves very smoothly, which is great. But the one thing I've come to fall in love with adjustable wrenches is this little gauge right here. So we got metric on one side, we got inches on the other side. And what that means is if I've got something like I just want to find out the thickness of a plate or something like that, measure that out, it'll tell me exactly how thick that is. So with this, I would say 12 millimeters. Now this is interesting. You can actually see in there those little lines. So that means this is a machined face. So this is about as straight as you're ever going to be able to get. So that's actually very nice. We do have flat tips on here. So if we need to grab a bolt from the top, we can do that. It does tell us the length, 200 millimeters, and we have a hanging hole in the back. That's actually very important because if I need to turn like an Allen wrench or something like that, I can stick that in there, and then I can use this for leverage. So this looks like a very nice wrench. And we get it all the way open to, looks like 32 millimeters. So it's equivalent to about 1.25 inches. So pretty good sized jaw. So yeah, even hold that thing lengthwise. It's got a good grab on that bolt. So this is a very nice adjustable wrench.